how to get voice chat on Roblox mobile. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Roblox app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on the three dot option available in the bottom right corner. So after you tap on it, scroll down and tap on the gear icon or settings icon available there. In settings, go to the privacy, and in privacy, you will get to see the voice chat option available there. And you can see that I don't have any voice chat option available here, but if you do, then you can simply toggle it on, and if you don't, then simply go back to the account info option available in settings. Now go back to the settings and tap on the account info. So inside account info, make sure that your email address is verified and your age is verified. If you don't have your email address and age verified, then you can't get voice chat on Roblox. So as you can see, there is verify my age option available there. Tap on it and you will have to upload your any IDs or anything on Roblox to let them know that you are above 13 years old. So after you upload your ID, you will get the voice chat option in privacy. So that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.